This spindle bracket shown here has two regions that will be mirrored across a center plane. This area on the left and the angled protrusion on the front. Instead of patterning the geometry or using a move copy command, the mirror command will flip the orientation across a plane that's selected. This means your design will be symmetric about that plane, and any changes to the original geometry will update symmetrically to the other side. To begin creating a mirror feature, I'll enable the command shown here in the Features tab of the action bar. When the dialog box appears, notice that the three default planes also appear in the graphics area. These appear automatically when the command is enabled. To begin creating the mirrored features, I'll select the mirror plane. Because this part was designed with the ZX plane running through the center of the part, I'll use it as the mirror plane. However, you don't have to use the default planes to create a mirror feature and can create a reference plane in the model to ensure that the symmetry is maintained. The Mirror Items box is where you select the features to be mirrored about the plane. You can select the features graphically, such as this small hole on the left. However, I want to mirror multiple features, so I'll select them in the Design Manager. I want to include the extrude for the tab on the left, the extrude for the angled protrusion on the front, and the circular cutout going through the tab. This includes all the features I need to mirror, so when I click OK, the features are mirrored. With the mirror command complete, I want to emphasize that the features are flipped across the mirror plane. This is different than how the linear pattern or circular pattern commands work, where those commands replicate the original geometry in a single direction. This mirror command instead flips the original instance when it's replicated, as you can see by the curved face here on the top of the new tab on the right. This is the mirror image of the original geometry. I mentioned earlier how making a change to the original geometry will update the mirrored features across the sketch plane. To demonstrate this workflow, I'll make a change to the tab on the left. I'll edit the sketch that created the extrude feature, then change the radius of the fillet to be 10 millimeters and increase the width of the tab to be 40 millimeters. When I click OK, the feature updates and you can see the changes reflected across the mirror plane on the other side of the component.